What can my Egyptian boyfriend do to stay in South Africa now that his passport has expired? The short answer: he needs to become legalized. Legal assistance would be required to navigate the complexities of his status. The whole question: I am a South African citizen with a valid ID and passport. My boyfriend is Egyptian. He does not have his ID with him, and his passport has expired. He has been living in South Africa for more than 5 years and tried obtaining a new passport from Egypt but was unable to do so due to complicated laws. The Egyptian embassy was unable to help him because of his age and expired passport. Given that he has been living in South Africa for such a long time, can he obtain a South African ID and passport? If yes, what steps must he take? If not, what options are available to him? He has chosen not to return to Egypt because his family is in South Africa, and he does not want to join the army. He currently owns a business and a home and only needs his passport and ID. The long answer: this is indeed a complicated situation. In terms of South Africa's Immigration Act, your boyfriend is currently considered an illegal foreigner, since he does not possess a valid visa or permit, and his passport has expired. Without valid documentation, he risks being arrested and deported. If deported, he could be declared an undesirable person, which could result in a ban from re-entering South Africa for up to 5 years. This would negatively impact any future visa applications. To become legalized, he would need to prove to the Department of Home Affairs that circumstances beyond his control, such as illness or administrative issues, prevented him from renewing his visa before his passport expired. This would involve submitting a visa application with supporting documents and a good cause application, explaining the reasons for the delay. However, given the length of time he has been undocumented, it may be difficult to convince Home Affairs that these were legitimate reasons beyond his control. Furthermore, Home Affairs would consider whether he has a South African spouse or children, as this could open additional pathways to legalization. One such option is the spousal visa, which allows a foreign national to join their South African partner for 2 years. This visa can be renewed, and after 5 years, the couple can apply for permanent residence. You and your boyfriend would need to demonstrate emotional and financial dependence, and Home Affairs would interview you both. It would be easier to obtain a spousal visa if you could present a marriage certificate, although an affidavit proving a life partnership could also suffice. Currently, Home Affairs is slow in processing legalization through the Form 20 route, so professional legal assistance would be recommended. For more guidance, contacting one of our team members could provide the assistance needed to navigate this complex process.